Welcome to Module 9 of the course. In this module, I want to explain gotta. Now, maybe you know gotta, maybe you don't. In this first video, I would like to give you a good basic introduction to have got, gotta, and why we use gotta. Okay, let's get started. In English, we have the verb to have. We use this for possessions, right? Nouns, objects, etc. Now, we have two ways to express this idea. In English, we have to have got. The same idea about possessions and idea, but two ways to express this. Now, to have and to have got. Same idea, the same meaning, but to have got is very common in speaking and in formal situations. So the basic rules is have got is only in spoken English. We do not write to have got, we use it when we're speaking. The other idea is that it is informal, very informal. To have got, we've got, It's for speaking and informal situations, and it's only in the present tense, only for now. You can only use have got talking about now. Now, what I mean is, in the present is to have got, but the moment you are in the past, it's I had, and in the future it will be I will have. All right? So if we have only in spoken English, informal, and only for the present tense, these are the three secrets to using to have got perfectly like a native speaker. Now, when we look at have got, the important thing is the contractions in the speaking. So it's I, you, we, they have got, and this would be I've, so listening and repeating, I've got, so the teeth are here, I've got, you've got time, we've got a problem, they've got, etc. With he and she, we have he has got time, money, a problem, she has got that there. So this is the same contraction of she is and he is, of he's got and she's got. So repeat with me, he's got money, she's got time, all right? If we look at this in the negative, it's important to be clear now that it's I have not got. All right? I, we, they have not got time, not got money. And this is contracted to haven't got. In the he, with he and she, it's he has not got, he, she hasn't got, and he or she hasn't got time, money. So he or she has not got, hasn't. He hasn't and she hasn't. All right? So if we compare the basics, you have time. Same idea, but the negative with just you have is you don't have time. And then the question is, do you have time? With have got is I have got time, you haven't got time, but see the difference in the negative of just have, don't have, and then you haven't got. This difference is crucial and essential. Look at the question. What's the difference? On one hand, we have, do you have, and then have you got. So sometimes have is like a normal verb, and sometimes it's like a modal, like a be verb. All right? So this is the end of the short introduction explaining have and have got. In the next video, I'm going to explain gotta and how we use gotta. See you there.